Hey y'all, my name is Blake and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is probably gonna, not probably, it's gonna start off the second vlog. If y'all didn't see my last video that I'm posting, it should be posted by now if you're looking at this one. But I just want to thank y'all for the support. My 28 subscribers, y'all came in deep and that's what I like to see. So continue doing that. So this week I have about a gazillion tests, but you know what happened? Somebody hacked into our system, so nothing's working. Mind you, we in a Pythagorean theorem, so everything's online. We had COVID. Now we got a hacker. What's next? Because it's showing its tail. But yeah, I'm about to, I say that a lot. I know. I had a tripod too. Your girl is just getting on up there, slowly but surely. But I seasoned some chicken. Destiny, you sleep? Reese, where your mama go? Destiny. I seasoned some chicken early. Lord, I'm gonna break the tripod. Okay. I seasoned some chicken earlier, so I'm gonna cook that, make me a little meal, and we just gonna go with the vlog and see what happens. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so the lighting here is horrible. Like, there's no fixing it. But I had seasoned some chicken Let me tell you something. I just started cooking when I moved down here to Houston, and call me Chef Boyardee, because Blake's whips it up. But it's like 8 o'clock, and I know it's late to be eating, but as you can see, I had stuff to do. So yeah. So I'm gonna just brown this on the stove, and then I have this little stir fry. Listen, put this on the stove, heat it up, add your little teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, little minced garlic. It's there. So I'm gonna cook that now, cause your girl is hungry. So yeah, bye. So the food is done. I'll show you what it look like. Can y'all see? I would have made some rice, but we don't have time for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch Girlfriends and probably start editing. What? Huh? What did he do? Been on the floor. Y'all gonna see. Hey y'all, today is Thursday and I am at Jada's house to help her with blush body care. If you ain't got none, I don't know why it looks so, oh, I think it's come back. Whew, hold on. Just gotta go up too many stairs. But I'm helping her package some orders because my girl had got a whole bunch overnight. So look at me being a good friend. So we're gonna go help her and see what she needs. Jesus, these stairs to do. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Make sure y'all washing y'all hands. Sanitize.
If they're not soiled.
You need to make sure that your hands are completely dry. I will show y'all how to set up, but I guess I could. Yeah, I'll see you eventually.
Hi everyone, this is the face behind the brand.
That's the CEO.
This is I just want to say thank you all for purchasing my products. Thank you all for supporting me. Please follow us on Instagram to stay updated and stay tuned for more fragrances that are coming.
Y'all, we finished.
Yay!
That's CEO if y'all wasn't listening before.
I'm her favorite assistant.
No, it's me.
I'm the favorite assistant.
It's me.
What box did you fold, Louis?
What card did you cut, Louis? It's a lot of things I don't play with you about.
I'll take my assistants elsewhere.
As you should.
You know, I was gonna promote your stuff. You won't be getting it now. This is probably gonna be the end of this. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. Maybe. We'll see. I just finished my test. Why? This is a different kind of hurt. So I probably need to log back on the class. And after that, I'm just gonna go to sleep. Cause I just can't. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I actually feel a little bit better now. I still don't think I passed, but it's okay. I give myself 1 L per class, and it's just gonna be my L. I think my grade is supposed to come back tomorrow or day after. I'm gonna start preparing now because the next exam is the day after my birthday. So I'ma just, woo. Right now, school is over. I'm done with it right now. Hey y'all, we back. Oh my gosh.
I don't look cute today.
Anyway,
I ain't got no lip.
they don't care. Anyway, I don't even know what today is.
Tuesday.
Oh, okay, Tuesday. We are on the hunt to get some snacks. Target just closed on us. We in the middle of a snowstorm. Y'all know we live in Texas, Houston.
Crazy.
If you want to get technical, we've been to Target. They have closed on us. We're gonna try Fiesta. Now, Fiesta, say something, because I see all these people riding up in there. Then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Kroger.
Baby, Kroger high. I mean, all of them high, really. We're just gonna.
Who's
honking? It ain't even going nowhere. Anyway. Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna show y'all our snacks. Lift my tripod because this was not supposed to happen.
Supposed to be a quick trip.
Quick trip, back in the house, watch my TV. Cancel school again. It's the 3rd day.
Baby, I don't know what we gonna do.
I got tests. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Ooh, okay, green light, bye. We at Fiesta now. It look like they open. And it don't look too packed. So
It's cold.
it's been cold. That ain't new. Kind of Jake walking a little bit, but it don't matter. We're trying to get to where we going.
Oh, get my shirt. Get my shirt.
Oh,
Dead battery.
Dead
Yes,
battery.
sir. Go support the brand. Go support the
brand.
vision. Oh, yeah.
I'ma definitely put his thing right here.
You didn't do it last time. You had me looking stupid.
Yeah, sorry. Get that little thing. Yeah, support Dad Battery, black owned, college student. Cameron, if you see this, you doing your thing, boy. We're proud of you.
Love you, buddy.
Every time I try to buy one, you out of stock. So
So you
maybe just
doing
send
big
mine
things.
to myself. Okay. But y'all see it's open. So I'm finna get my snacks. So bye. All the seafood gone. Oh, they got some over there. All this gone. I'm trying to find sea salt. Okay, y'all, I found a basket because this thing was killing me. We making dumplings. We got hot chocolate. Oh Lord, my bonnet.
We got ice cream.
We got ice cream. We got cookies.
It's gonna be lit.
I made some fried pickles. Gonna be on the toilet, but it's gonna be a good day. You got all the stuff for the dumplings?
I don't know. I think so.
Don't piss me off. Oh, ginger, so I can make my tea. Listen, if y'all ever get stuck with corona or anything like that, y'all need to make this ginger tea. I promise you. Yeah, minced garlic. If y'all ever get stuck with COVID or anything like that, then get you some ginger. I'll probably show y'all when I get home how to make it, because we really, yeah, we ain't playing no games with corona. Because she is that girl, okay? That girl. The more ginger, the better.
That's a lie.
You not gonna drink it.
It's nasty.
I feel like this is a pound. Where's the little scale at? Oh, some right there. It's a pound?
A little less.
Alright, I'll probably see y'all when we get to the house. Hey y'all, I'm trying to catch y'all up because it went super fast. I ain't have time to pick up the camera, and my apartment electricity went out. So I'm now at my stepmom's mom's house. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, yeah, I don't know when the power gonna be at home. I got my books, my clothes, all the other stuff. Always chaotic, but honestly my life is just chaotic. That's all I got. And yeah, be safe, especially y'all live in Houston, not even Houston, Texas, all the north states, because I don't see how y'all deal with this every winter. I'm not used to this at all. Hey y'all, it is the next day. The power is out over here. I'm over it. Whoever playing with the weather thing, can y'all stop? We get it now. We get it. Because this is ridiculous. I still got on the same clothes because it is too cold. I have a sweatshirt under here. I have rain boots. You can't even rain boots on. Like, I can't. I literally slept in this because the power had went out throughout the night. I think like twice. Phone died, so I'm in my car charging my phone. I just want to go home, get in my bed, and go to sleep. And I have hold on. I have 2 tests tomorrow. Well, not 2 tests. I have a test on Thursday and then a test on Friday. Baby, I haven't had time to study because there's no power. I don't have nothing. Quizzes and stuff are online. Homework, let me push all that back because I ain't did it because I don't have no power. I'm gonna show y'all the neighborhood. Wait, no, I'm not gonna show y'all the neighborhood because that's how people be putting too much of their business on the internet. But just know, there's no lights. I don't see how people in the house because it's freezing. Thank God I had got some gas when I did, because if I didn't, I would have had to just bundle up in the house. But I don't know. Maybe when the power gets back on, I'll show you. I don't know. But right now, Blake is over it. I really am. So bye. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. Feel out of breath again. I need to start working out. I honestly don't remember the last thing I told y'all, but I ended up coming back home. Our power cut off shortly after I came in. I'm not gonna lie, we took a nap, and here we are. So now we need to get the house in order just in case the power goes off again. So this needs meal prepping. I'm about to boil water so that we can use to brush our teeth, and I don't know what else we gotta do. And then I'm gonna make some ginger tea. And ginger tea just, y'all gonna see it. But yeah, so it's probably finna start going real fast right now. y'all, so right now our Wi-Fi is still not working, and honestly that's the least of my worries. I'm just gonna download as many things I can off Netflix on my iPad and pray that it gets me through the night and through tomorrow, because there's nothing I can do about it. They said to call them. Well, I'm pretty sure the Wi-Fi people are not at home. So, yeah. So I'm gonna just download. I don't even remember how to download on here. Oh, Lord. Okay, yeah. Download. I don't know if I told y'all, but they canceled school for the rest of the week. So y'all know I'm taking 16 hours, so I have class literally every day. I don't have class anymore, so class officially starts again Monday. My birthday is that Thursday. And I was about to be like, I'm so stressed, but honestly, I'm not even gonna claim it or whatever. It is what it is. I can't do anything about it. I wanna be a nurse, so this is what I have to do. Also, my hair is drying under here, so if y'all was wondering why I got my bonnet on. But we're about to meal prep food. I think I told y'all this. I don't know if it's not. I need to put towels by my window so we can keep all the heat that we have inside. I need to clear my room so that I can actually live in this place for a minute. And yeah, I feel like I'm repeating myself. This was happen when a hacker come to your school and then a snowstorm, power outages. You don't know what the hell to do. So I'm gonna just go. Y'all, I'm back. The dumplings done. Jada here. With her meals.
So bad.
Disney eating.
They good.
Those dumplings. They look whooped, but yeah, here our sauce. Can I see the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
And that's that. Okay, so to make the ginger tea, you're gonna need ginger and lemon. Try to get about 3 lemons and a pound of, what is this, ginger. So yeah, you're gonna peel the ginger, chop it up in fine pieces, and then you're gonna just chop, you can chop the lemons up in like 4s, and then just put it in the pot. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now. I chopped up all the ginger and I cut the lemons up in quarters. So we're gonna bring this to a boil. When it starts boiling, you're gonna put it on low to simmer, and then it'll be done. You'll have tea. So I'm gonna get on like this and mix everything around. It's already been on low, so that way when it's time to heat up, then it'll already be there. So we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'll let y'all see it. So yeah, I have showed y'all basically how to make tea, despite almost giving myself 3rd-degree burns. It's fine. It's okay. So I'm just gonna continue trying to get these, these movies downloaded on my iPad. I think it's gonna be the end of this vlog because it's really like 2 weeks in one. But it's okay. Just want to say thank y'all for staying this far along. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe share a little bit if you're feeling a little generous, you know, whatever. And comment down below what you want to see me do next. Or if you just want to be in my business, then that's okay too. yeah, I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.